Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we discussed how we use the relative locator which is introduced in the Selenium WebDriver 4. Okay, so in that video, I discussed how we use the above as well as the below. Now, in this tutorial, I am going to discuss how we use the near, left of, and right of method. Okay, so let's see. So here I created one test, right? Simple test. Okay, so if I open the URL right here, you can see there is a login sign in button, right? By using the sign in button, if you want to capture the text like password as well as the login form, right? Let's see how we use here the near method to find the locators text, password, as well as the login form by using sign in. So first of all, I need to get the sign in button locator. So first of all, I need to get that tag, right, for which element we are going to get. So this is the label. So I can use here driver dot find element. So here I need to call the relative locator, okay, dot with. Then here I need to pass by the tag name, and tag name is label, this label, right? Because we want to get the locate a text of this label, and this label has don't have any uh, attributes. So passed here. Now here we need to use call the near and then pass the locator of the login button, of the sign in button. So sign in button, it has ID login, so I can copy this ID. Then using here get text method to get the text and storing in a text variable. Printed. Now what we are looking here, we are looking the element label which is near to the by dot id login button. So it will get the text element locators, it will get the element locators which is near, which is label and near to the login button. Okay, and then calling the get text method to get the text and print. Let me run. Let's see the output. Password. We are getting password. So because here there are two labels, one is the username, second is password. But if I look the sign in button, so from the sign in button, so near locator label is first label is password. So that's why we are getting this text, not the username. Okay, next let's discuss what is the toRightOf and toLeftOf method. Okay, so if I look here in this page, okay, you can see this is one table, right? And if we want to get the text left right side, right, of the amount of the Starbucks coffee, and if we want to get the date, right, so how we do that? So let's see. First create the locator of the Starbucks. So this is the span. So use the text locator is created, right? So let's see. Copy this. So here we are looking. This is one text a locator I created, but we are looking the value of the today's, right here. So this is coming basically under the one TD, and this is span. Here today is under one span. So let's see. So okay, so we can use the driver dot find element. Here I need to use the relative locator dot with by dot tag name. So I'm using here td. Then here we can call the dot left of, right? Because we need to look the td which is left of the element here. So we can use here by dot xpath, because I created xpath of the star box, right? Copy this and paste here. So what we are looking here, we are looking driver dot find element relative with tag name. So we are looking the tag name which is left of the element, this one. And then let's use the get text. Okay, so this will return web element objects. Let's store in web element, use your semicolon. Okay, so by using this element we can retrieve the text string today text element dot get text. Okay, let's print this. Okay, now I'm going to run and you will see it will retrieve the today's date, because we are using here td, so it will give us the today as well as the time, right? And so what we are looking here, we are looking the td tag value element which is left of the this element. So now running. Okay, so one thing I missed, we need to go directly on this page, app page. So let's use the driver dot navigate dot to pass the URL. Okay, so running again. Let's see. You can see it's given today 152. Let's see. Let's see what will happen if we directly pass the TD and span. So because we have two span, let's see which span value we will get. So now I'm going to pass here. This is CSS selector. Okay, TD and then span. So let's see what we will get. Here you can see I am getting only time. Why the time? Because if you look here, right, this is the our element locators, right? We are looking the span left side of this element. If you go to, this is the first element, first span which is left to the star box. So this is the first element which is left side the star box. Second is the today, right? So that's why if we are pass here the only td span, then we are getting this time, because this is the first one. Let's see how we use the write off. So similar types, if I go here, this time amount, right? So this is the right side of the element. If I look the td span, right, then this is the right side from this locator, right side. And if I go here, so there is no td span. So this is the first td span which is just right side of the star box. So let's see. So here I use the element one text left, this is the right amount. Okay, So here I need to use to right instead of to left. Okay. So what I'm looking now, looking the element, this element td span, which is just right of this Starbucks element. Okay, so let's see what we will get in this case, running the test. So you can see it's retrieved the amount is which is just at right side of the star box. Okay, so let's see if I use the td and a, then what we will get, category, right? So let's see, let's another element locator we can try. Copy this. Okay, element 2, element 2, I am storing this in category, so just add cat. So now what we are looking the element td a, td and then td and then a, which is just right of the Starbucks, which is right of the Starbucks, this one. So let's use here a tag instead of span. So now this will represent to the category tag. So let's see. So now we are getting restaurant slash cafe. So this is clear. Now hope this will be helpful to understand what is the near, what is the use of to left of, what is the use of to right of. Okay. So if you like the tutorial, click on the like button, subscribe the channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you can get latest videos notification, and also share this tutorial to your friends and colleagues. And if you have any query, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video.